Your homily is meant to reach souls, but what if your message could keep working for you, showing up in search results, being shared online, and even inspiring people who never attended Mass? That's the power of a homily blog post. It makes your homily searchable on Google. When people search for answers about faith, your message can show up and reach them. It can also drive more people to your parish website, potentially bringing in new visitors to Mass. It can give your parishioners a way to revisit and share your homilies, helping them reflect and evangelize. It can also build an online presence for your church, so even those who don't attend Mass in person can still be spiritually nourished. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your homily into a blog post using AI. No need to write from scratch, no time-consuming editing, just a simple step-by-step process that lets AI do the heavy lifting for you so you can reach more people without extra effort. Step 1 is to transcribe your homily with AI. Before we can turn your homily into a blog post, we need it in text form. Instead of manually typing it out, use AI-powered transcription tools to do it for you. The good news is, if you're editing your homily using DaVinci Resolve, you've already transcribed it. Simply copy and paste the transcript while you're editing so you can generate the blog post at the same time as when you're finalizing your video. A great thing about using DaVinci Resolve is by transcribing while you're editing, you save time and get more done, and have your homily ready for both video and blog formats instantly. If your video is already on YouTube, use YouTube's auto-generated transcript feature. You can also use other AI software like Otter AI, Rev.com, or Descript to create an accurate transcription in minutes. If you're curious about any of the tools that we mentioned in this video, I have a free AI homily transcription tools guide for you to download below. Step 2 is let ChatGPT organize your homily into a blog post. Your homily was written for speaking, but a blog post needs a clear structure so people can read it easily. Here's how to let ChatGPT restructure it for you in seconds. You're going to want to copy and paste this exact ChatGPT prompt. I have it linked below. This prompt has everything you need to create a well-structured, SEO-optimized blog post. It'll make a compelling title, an introduction that will craft an engaging opening paragraph, and organize it into main points, and break your homily into scannable sections using subheadings. It'll also create a call to action that will suggest a closing reflection or a next step. In seconds, you have an amazing blog post that's fully structured. Now, you just need to refine it. Step 3 is to link back to your full homily and schedule posts ahead of time. A blog post is a great way to summarize and expand on your homily, but some people will want to watch or listen to your full homily instead. Always include a link to the full video at the beginning and end of your blog post. You can use the ChatGPT prompt. Add a clear call to action at the beginning and end of this blog post, encouraging readers to watch the full homily on YouTube. Here's an example of something you would put out. Want to hear the full message? Watch the complete homily here, and then you would insert your YouTube link. Adding a link to your homily keeps people engaged and drives more traffic to your videos. Then you can schedule your blog posts ahead of time. Most website platforms allow you to set a specific day and time for the post to go live. This means you can prepare for weeks or even months in advance, keeping your content consistent while focusing on your ministry. If you want more tips on how to optimize your blog post, you can get our free guide on how to optimize homily blogs, and it's linked below. People have a lot of different opinions on AI, and it poses the question on why use it in the first place. I use it because it's a tool for efficiency, not replacement. We're not using AI to replace your homily. Your words and your message come from your priestly vocation and your own insights. AI is simply a tool to help format, structure, and save you time. Whether you love AI or you hate it, it's available to make your life easier. And if you want to use it, great, and it can save you hours of work. But if you prefer doing things manually, that's perfectly fine too. AI is just an option to help you focus more on ministry rather than content creation. Okay, now to recap, these are the 3 steps we use to turn your homilies into blog posts. Step 1, get a transcript of your homily using AI. Step 2, use ChatGPT to structure it into a blog post. And step 3 is to add a link back to your full homily video and schedule your blog posts ahead of time. In the next video, we're going to show you how to schedule and automate your homily posts so everything runs on autopilot. See you there.